Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you will be fine. Dear students, today we are going to discuss fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, equivalent fractions and comparing fractions. Dear students, fractions. A fraction is a part or portion of a whole. Fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. For example, 9 by 8. 9 is a numerator and 8 is a denominator. For example, 3 by 5, 5 by 3 and 2 by 5. Now we read from the book. Numerator. The numerator says how many parts in the fraction. Dear students, now look at this picture. How many equal parts are there? 1 and 2. 2 is the denominator and how many boxes are colored? 1. One part is colored numerator. The denominator says how many equal parts in the whole object. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस पिक्चर में हमारे पास एक पूरी होल पिक्चर में हमारे पास इसके कितने पार्ट्स हैं? 2 पार्ट्स हैं. तो मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास 2 आएगा कि इस पूरी पिक्चर के कितने पार्ट्स हैं, वो पार्ट्स हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर होगा. A fraction is a part or portion of a whole. It has 2 parts. For example, 2 by 7. 2 is a numerator and 7 is a denominator. Number of parts we have is called numerator. Number of equal parts a whole is divided into is denominator. Dear students, the denominator can never be equal to 0. 12 by 0 does not exist. A fraction with a numerator of 0 equals 0. 0 by 3 is equal to 0. 0 by 312 is equal to 0. Now, other example of fraction are 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 3 by 5. These fractions can also be represented in shapes. Dear students, now we have these 3 shapes. First fraction 2 by 3. How many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. So 3 parts, 3 is a denominator. And how many boxes are colored? That is 2. 2 is a numerator. Now the next fraction is 3 by 4. How many equal boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 4 here 4 is a denominator. And how many boxes are colored? 1, 2, 3, 3. 3 is the numerator. Next fraction is 3 by 5. We have 5 boxes in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And colored boxes are 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 by 5 is the fraction. Now, like fraction. Like fraction with same denominator is called like fraction. Dear students, for example, 5 by 6, 7 by 6, 8 by 6 and 9 by 6. Here all the denominators are same and numerators are different. Like fraction हमारे पास वो होगी जिसके denominator हमारे पास same होंगे. Now read from the book. Like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominators. Dear students, you already know that like fractions are the fractions which have the same denominators. Now look, 1 by 8, 6 by 8 and 7 by 8 are like fractions because they all have the same denominator, that is 8. Now look in this picture. How many boxes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many boxes are colored? 1, 1. Next, 6 by 8. Denominator 8. Total boxes are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many boxes are colored? Numerator 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same as it is 7 by 8. Equal parts, how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts and colored boxes are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 by 8, 6 by 8 and 7 by 8 are like fractions because they all have the same denominators, 8. Denominator 8. Now dear students, look. Pick like fractions. 3 by 7, 8 by 11, 5 by 7, 9 by 11, 2 by 5, 10 by 7. Dear students, can you find the like fractions? Yes. 3 by 7, like fractions are 3 by 7, 5 by 7 and 10 by 7. These are the like fraction because they have same denominators. Unlike fraction, the fraction which are having different denominators are called as unlike fraction. For example, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 6 by 7, 2 by 9 and 7 by 2. Dear students, in the above fraction all the denominators are different. They are 5, 7, 9 and 2. Now read from the book Unlike fraction. Dear students, we already know that unlike fraction are the fraction which have the different denominators. So unlike fractions have different denominators like 1 by 6, 4 by 10, 3 by 8. In these pictures 1 by 6. How many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 denominator. And how many boxes are colored? 1. That is 1. Next 4 by 10. How many equal parts are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the denominator. And how many boxes are colored? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 by 8. Equal parts 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And how many color boxes are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1 by 6, 4 by 10 and 3 by 8 are unlike fractions because each has a different denominator. For example, pick the unlike fractions. 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 6, 9 by 13, 15 by 17, 2 by 5. Now dear students, can you find the unlike fractions? Yes. Unlike fractions are 7 by 6, 9 by 13, 15 by 17. 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 2 by 5 have the same denominator, so these are like fractions, and 7 by 6, 9 by 13 and 15 by 17 are unlike fraction. Next is equivalent fraction. Dear students, if we multiply or divide numerator and denominator by the same number, we get an equivalent fraction. For example, 2 by 3 is an equivalent to 4 by 6. अगर हम 2 by 3 को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल 2 से अगर हम न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास 4 by 6 इसका इक्विवेलेंट आ जाएगा. 2 by 3 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 4 by 6. Equivalent fraction. Dear students, equivalent fraction can be found by multiplying or dividing both the numerators and denominator by the same number. When the same numerator and denominator in a fraction, it always equal. When you multiply or divide a number by 1, you get the same number. So when we multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, not 0, हम लोग 0 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, we get an equivalent fraction like 1 by 3. If we multiply numerator and denominator by the same common factor 2, both multiply by 2 numerator and multiply by 2 denominator, we get the 2 by 6. Now if we multiply by 2 by 6 by the 2, the equivalent fraction is 4 by 12. So 1 by 3, 2 by 6 and 14 by 12 are equivalent fractions. When we divide the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same number, we get the equivalent fraction. यहाँ पे हम हमारे पास एक फ्रैक्शन है 18/20. अगर हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे किसी भी दोनों न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे, ठीक है. जस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय 2, न्यूमरेटर को हमने डिवाइड किया 2 से एंड डिनोमिनेटर को भी हमने डिवाइड किया 2 से. सेम नंबर्स हैं. 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. 9/10. नेक्स्ट इज़ 24/42. अब हमें पता है कि 24 एंड 42 किस नंबर पे हमारे पास डिवाइड होंगे, तो दैट इज़ 3. 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 24, 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 14. 8/14. नाउ 8/14 फर्दर डिवाइड हो रहा है किस पे, कॉमन कौन सा फैक्टर होगा इनका, 2 पे डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, तो 4/7. So 18/20, 9/10 are equivalent fractions are the 24/42, 8/14 and 4/7. Comparing fraction. Dear students, we have two circles. One is yellow and one is red. Half of the yellow circle is not same the half of the red circle. This is because yellow circle is not of the same size as the red circle. Dear students, remember we can only compare fractions of the same size whole. हम लोग उन्हीं फ्रैक्शंस को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं जो सेम साइज़ के, जिनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो. सो to compare fraction with the same numerator, we follow 2 steps. Example, compare 1/5 and 1/6. Now, first step, find equivalent fraction of 1/5 and 1/6 to make them like fraction. So, 1/5 की equivalent fraction क्या होगी? If we multiply numerator and denominator by 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then multiply by 3, both numerator and denominator. 1 3s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 4, we multiply by numerator denominator by 4. 1 4s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Then we will multiply by 5, both numerator and denominator. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. And then 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now dear students, we already know that 35 के टेबल में भी आता है और 6 के टेबल में भी आता है, तो हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन 6 तक ही फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ फाइंड इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बाय ऑफ 1/6. Numerator and denominator by multiply by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Then 3 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. 5 1s are 5 and 5 6 are 30. Dear students, like fractions are the fraction which have the same denominators. Now look, 1/5. Now 6/30 represent 1/5 represent 6/30, and 5/30 represent 1/6 represent 5/30. 5/30. Now dear students, look, denominators are same, numerators are different. Now if the denominators are same, then we will compare numerators. So 6 is greater than 5, so the symbol greater than sign is here. Now 1/5 represent 6/30 and 5/30 represent 1/6. यहाँ साइड पे हम लिख भी लेते हैं. Now look dear students, 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. Now 1/5, we easily compare 1/5 is greater than 1/6. Next example is 3/10, 3/8. Dear students, first of all we will compare numerators. If the numerators are same, then we will compare the denominators. If the denominators of one value is smaller than the other is larger, we will not consider smaller, because it is opposite in the case of denominators. If the fraction has less value in the denominator, it will be the greater. So 3/10 and 3/8, 3/8 is greater than 3/10. 7/10 and 7/8, numerators same, denominators are different. Now the smaller denominator is greater than the other. 7/8 is greater than 7/10. 4/12 and 4/15. 12 denominator 12 छोटा है हमारे पास दूसरे से, then 4/12 is greater than 4/15. Now to compare like fraction with the same denominator, the greater the numerator, the greater the value of the fraction. Now dear students, if the denominators are same, then we will compare the numerators. Now 3 is greater than 2, so 3/8 is greater than 2/8. 5/16 and 7/16, denominators same. Now we will compare the numerators. 7 is greater than 5, so 7/16 is greater than 5/16. Next is 4/9 or 1/9 and 1/9. Denominators same, numerators को हम compare करेंगे. 4 is greater than 1, so